So, are you looking at the universe from the creator down or the creation up?
Welcome to this explainer. We're diving into the ultimate theological balancing act. It totally flips how we view existence.
Right, so the source introduces this wild formula, nephi and isbat, first to negate the false, then affirm the truth. Like the phrase, La ilaha illallah, you literally have to clear your mind with no before accepting the yes.
Think about the pure logic. Art needs an artist, right? So the universe inherently needs a creator.
Since our minds are totally hardwired for cause and effect, absolute atheism actually becomes a massive logical paradox.
But here's the real question. Is this creator just some distant clockmaker or actively involved right now?
Ayatul Kursi describes an unsleeping, unforgetting God. Without that active presence, the whole cosmos would just collapse into chaos.
The source calls this Tanzih. It's the idea that the creator is completely, entirely beyond our human comprehension.
But watch out, absolute Tanzih is dangerous. It makes the creator this distant, unreachable entity you can't ever know.
On the flip side, we have Tashbih. This tries to understand God through worldly comparisons and relatable stuff.
But the text warns that extreme Tashbih dangerously shrinks the divine down into human-like forms or physical incarnations.
Because of this, human theology ends up swinging wildly like a pendulum between pure transcendence and pure immanence. To balance this out, the text says, nothing is like him. That totally anchors us in unimaginable awe.
But then it immediately says, every day he is upon some matter. See? Deep, active, everyday involvement.
Bouncing between these concepts is super intentional. It literally stretches your mind and tunes your soul like an instrument.
So how does this cosmic theology actually affect us? Let's bring this massive paradigm right down to earth.
Historically, the Inquisition viewed smiling as a sin. But Islamic tradition, it sees smiling as literal worship.
A famous teaching says, a smile to your brother is charity. Just a simple smile counts as divine charity.
It's a whole spiritual economy of joy. Balancing cosmic awe with everyday human kindness is the ultimate goal.
So, armed with this amazing perspective, how are you going to reflect this divine balance in your life today?